FlowState was designed to put you in a state of flow. This is designed for creativity. So even if you're not a guitar player, a musician, a pianist, a poet, a writer, we still want access to our creativity. And a lot of times our to-do list, our stress, our chaos in our life, our lack of sleep gets in the way. FlowState is designed to levitate your brain gently and naturally to the state just between alpha and theta, which is the creative zone, in a specific frequency of 7.83 hertz. How do we use it? Most people are going to use it like an immersive experience, just like rescue and power nap. Headphone, eye mask, safe, comfortable place, press start. Other people we've heard just play it ambiently while they're working in their office. To each his own, okay? This is a tool. The best way to use this and the most effective would be to lay down with an eye mask and headphone. But if working with it on in the background helps you get into a creative state without stress, go for it. So what we have here is we have a good headphone. This is an AirPod Max Apple headphone. This is a Sony MX1005 excellent headphone, wired. I've got an adapter to go to a mobile device. I have an iPad and a mobile phone. We want to hit do not disturb before we do a NuCalm experience. And invariably, when you get up, you feel so relaxed and calm and centered and patient, you forget to turn that off. And that happened to me a few times where my team or my family couldn't get a hold of me and it sounded like I was on an airplane or international travel because it went right to voicemail. It's because I forgot do not disturb. So I don't play that game, and I use an iPad for all of my NuCalm. In fact, just looking at this iPad is giving me a sense of calm and peace and relaxation, okay? So, FlowState, safe, comfortable place, eye mask. I'm laying down, I'm doing a headphone, I'm doing the app, selecting it on my app, FlowState, any time signature I want. I'm gonna select 40 right now, eye mask down, and I'm getting into a state of flow.